Hi, my name is Vic Hunter, Hunter Business Group. Gallup tells us that 60% of our B2B customers are completely indifferent to us, and 11% are actively disengaged from our relationship. Now that is a problem. And we've talked about the account manager and their role in building relationships with customers. So how do we get those account managers engaged to solve this problem? Most just fill the position with one of their best salespeople, customer service reps, or project managers. But like the Harvard Business Review says, this is an important change. So this isn't only a sales or a customer service or a project management role. So whether you call them key account managers, national account managers, global account managers, or strategic account managers, they need to excel at communications, persuade, discern, be proactive, and both gain this year's revenue and build a strong relationship for future revenue. They take responsibility for the entire relationship. So how do you find out whether your candidate can do all this before putting them at risk? And how do you hire more of them with confidence they will succeed? Well, you start by screening for skills and experience, and then you hire for chemistry, for the culture, for the values, and the behaviors of the account manager. What we're trying to do here is predict the performance of the account manager on the job. But before we get into selecting the account manager, let's talk about Sam's job and the behaviors of an ideal account manager. First, how does Sam interact? She is an articulate conversationalist and confident public speaker. She seems to quickly adapt to her audience's level of interest. Sam is also an excellent persuader. As a skilled listener, she identifies motivations and then probes and questions agendas, striving to influence others. Fortunately, these are trainable behaviors. So with careful evaluation and training, you can often make the best today even better tomorrow. Now, what motivates Sam? She knows her clients depend on her, so she's always punctual and committed to delivery for her clients. Sam is an achiever. She is confident and self-assured. She seeks independence and recognition that often drives her to higher levels of accomplishment. How does Sam think? She is skilled at self-appraisal. She can figure out what's most important and act appropriately. Finally, how does Sam act? Sam is proactive. She looks for solutions that often require change. Sam doesn't blame others or shirk from her responsibility. Who is that woman? Wow, Sam is a superhero. And to find more people like Sam in our organization, we're going to have to go back and use our behavioral interview scorecard. So let's create 2 to 4 questions for each behavior, with each question having predefined answers that score the fit of the response to the behavior. These are open-ended questions with no right or wrong answer. It is the fit to the behavioral answer that match the role that allow us to score the candidate. Now, score your candidate across each behavior. Assess current competency and post scores to the scorecard for comparison. Well, you now have a more predictive and consistent and comfortable way of finding these superheroes in your organization. We're not going to put people into a position where they're going to be at risk and we're not able to understand before we put them in that role how they're going to perform in that position. Well, if you'd like to have a copy of these core and critical behaviors for success as an account manager, just drop me a note. And I'll even agree to share with you the ones that are not skill trainable so you won't waste your time in therapy. And if you'd like to talk more to me about behavioral interviewing for superheroes in your company, just give me a call. Thanks again for joining us in how to take these tools in behavioral hiring and hire superheroes, another idea engine from Hunter Business Group.